Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you best CPA market network mathnicadvertising.com. In today's video you will get the complete CPA marketing sign up. Our website is best CPA network. In this website I will give you an overview of the network for those. So first of all, you can see the side interface. So first of all, we need to select a browser. I have selected the Go Logging browser. Can see here that I have added a proxy in browser. My proxy mobilehop.com mobile proxy for your 5G mobile proxy. I will show you how to select the proxy. You can see here mobilehop.com my proxy. Mobilehop for your 5G best proxy panel in the world. I have selected this proxy and you can see here Verizon and Verizon wireless proxy. You can see here California. You can see here some proxy, mobile proxy. I have selected from mobilehop.com. It is a very good proxy. You can use this proxy. You can see here single hop and multi-hop proxy package. Only $5 multi-hop is very good. Weekly, monthly package selected and continue shopping. Okay, you will get a proxy. So the HTTP or SOCKS pipe, you can see our proxy username, password, address, port. Also have connected it. Our proxy was been added browser and Matrix advertising open and sign up options. Okay, here click on sign up affiliate. Okay, selected. You can give in the registrations from from here the from fill of the first name. I will give here persons and last name company, then you. Okay, Avishek Tech Pro, and we'll give email phone number. Then we will give Skype address. Must be use Skype address. Okay. Any questions, answers? It's good proxy and good browsers for CPA marketing. Best proxy panel, best proxy server, Mobilehop proxy, mobile proxy 4G or 5G mobile proxy. Okay, questions, fill up. Okay, US, United States of America. Answers. And what is your country? USA. My proxy is USA. My country USA. Okay, USA. And Google Ads. Okay, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, affiliate network. That's refer you. No. On to 4. Tick mark, agree, and register. Click here. My register is done successfully. Emails verified. Okay, verify your email. It's complete email verify. And password, your account password, and paste. Okay, capture, logging. Oh, account is pending. My account is pending. Wait some time. my account is approval, but sometimes approval is very good. Thank you so much.